Hannah?
We're going to go to Alfarnate.
Alfarnate.
Alfarnate. We're in Casabermeja, which is Juana's hometown.
56 kilometers to Villanueva del Trabuco. We are going to stop in Alfarnate. It's like 26 kilometers from here, from Casabermeja.
Solamente 26.
Alfarnate.
Ay, qué suerte.
Alfarnate 26 kilómetros. From Alfarnate to Trabuco y son other 50 something. Other 26.
Joder. Okay,
Bueno, no sé.
We've got all our panniers for the first time in over a year. We're supposed to leave this morning at around 9, but now it's almost 12 and we've already had 2 breakfasts and we haven't cycled yet.
But let's go. Vámonos. Casabermeja. That's El Torcal and the Sierra El Co. We go there to the Sierra El Co. Hannah, do you understand now why I said we have to leave early to cycle here in Spain?
Yes, but it's very complicated because we had many jobs to do. We didn't pack last night. We had to make everything this morning. We had to make the lunch. Then we had to have breakfast. Then we had second breakfast.
And then we start cycling 12 in the afternoon when the sun is stronger.
Yeah, but today is not that strong.
No.
And compared to when we were in Asia, for example, there's no different. The difference now is that we're not fit.
So we are in the other side already. That's the village, Casabermeja. And now we are close to the Sierra. I think we passed the worst or the nicer. No, I think we still just in a quarter of the way. And it's all the way up and down, up and down, up and down. Y ahora el co on the road.
This is the Venta de Alfarnate, so it should be like a bar restaurant. And it's got a museum here as well, but unfortunately it's closed.
We should go to the village and have something to drink and eat something, no? I got me a spinach omelette. Hannah doesn't want to keep further.
Because Hannah is very tired.
It's only 12 more kilometers. Aquí está Hannah recovering with the ensaladilla rusa. And she's thinking about to stay here because it's too hard. It's only 12 more kilometers, but it's a very big hill now. So let's see what happens after the tinto verano and the cruise. Mira qué bonito. Muy bonito, no? Nice place. So we decide to stay in Alfarnate.
One tinto too many.
Yes, and tomorrow we keep going. And we decide to stay in this area. It's for caravan, they say, but people can camp.
And there's a group of teenage boys hanging around the corner, so hoping that they don't come and visit us in the middle of the night. So here we are in a brand new sports hall.
And we have showers, new showers.
We have brand new showers, brand new toilets, drinking water, electricity.
Yes.
And a few birds to share the place with. But it's been offered to us because the local, is it people who was from the council, no?
Yeah.
He didn't want us to sleep in the park because there's some young guys around the corner. So he's given us the keys to the sports hall for the night, which is very kind.
It's good because we forgot the lock for the bicycle, so now we can leave the bicycle.
Yeah, we can go to the pub, we can get pissed.
Muy bien. How to blow to pump a mattress, colchoneta. Muy fácil. Uy. Así. Esto es un saquito que viene con la colchoneta esta pija, with the pouch mattress. Take it in, and then take this, like this, a hole, you see, hole, un poquitito, and then you can here, and you click, see, click, and then you come here, and then you just do this, and that go, and go. And then the wing go. Easy peasy.
So I was going to show you some swallow nests because it looks like we're going to be sharing our sports hall with a family of swallows, but they've all disappeared. But they're all somewhere up here. So that's nice.
There's our polideportivo. Y todo esto para nosotras. Here for training tomorrow. Está la fuente de agua para mañana. La oficina de turismo. Casita donde no hemos tomado la cerveza. Aquí está el río o el arroyo. Aquí la carnicería y embutidos caseros Inma. Maybe we can get some chips. El tío las patatas.
Sí, tengo esta pesadita. Aparece.
How did you sleep? But at least we didn't get wet. Last night we had a big storm here for 2 hours, no? So it was good.
Good morning.
Good morning. How did you sleep again?
Oh, perfectly. It was just it was so luxurious and comfortable. I loved it. This was the best hotel I've ever stayed in.
Super bocadillo de jamón to get energy for the hill. Now we will have a hill free 4 kilometers, they say, no? 4 kilometers. And then all hill down. Very dramático. Que estamos en Granada. Are you sure it's this way? Let's go. A la fuente Los 100 Caños. So we are in Malaga again, provincia de Málaga. Here we are in the 100, los 100 caños de agua.
Aquí estamos en Casabermeja. Casabermeja is Juana's hometown, and it's where we're staying just now.